Our charity is the Hospice of the Valleys, and we are based in Tredegar, and our service covers the whole of Blaenau Gwent. And what our service is a palliative care service. It's 365 days a year, 24 hours a day. It's a free service for people in Blaenau Gwent suffering with life-limiting illnesses such as cancer. And our team of nurses and social workers are there to support the patients' families, all the way through the service. The service involves a very specialised team of people, and we have specialised nurses, we have a social work department, and they're there to support the patients and to support the families in home. And a lot of people, if their illness is terminal, they would much prefer to pass away at home as opposed to in hospital somewhere. So that is what we provide, and we stick with the families past the unfortunate point of death. And we also have clinics in the borough as well that people can attend for holistic therapy, which is always very good to help people through their trying times. And the social work department are very good to help the patients and their families with filling out those nasty forms that we all have to do. When an illness like cancer hits a family, everything changes in terms of the income and what people are entitled to claim in terms of benefits. So that's what the social work department do as well. Now, how the hospice operates is quite complicated. It's a very busy environment, and we have several departments, as mentioned, the specialist care team, but we also have a team of very generous volunteers. We have about 150 volunteers, and a lot of them are very active because we have 5 charity shops in the borough, because keeping a charity going is very expensive, and these shops help fund that, and the shops are run almost completely by volunteers. We only have one shop supervisor that floats around all 5 shops. We also have a fundraising department, with myself being one of the 2 fundraisers, and we have a lot of fun events and challenging events that go on throughout the year, concerts as well. And we've recently had Only Boys Allowed perform at the Ebervale Leisure Centre, and it's looking like that we've raised nearly £5,500 with that concert, which was enjoyed by over 700 people, we estimate. Before that, we did the Santa Run up in Brimbach Park, which is a fun run with people dressed up as Santa Claus. Our annual Lap the Lake event is our biggest fundraising event. Some of the other events that we have done recently that's been very successful, we did the Canal Walk, which is a choice of distances. You could do a 20-mile walk, a 10-mile, an 8-mile, a 5-mile, or a 3-mile along the Monmouthshire and Brecon Canal. And we do regular Elvis and Friends concerts at local venues. They're very popular, and it's a real fun show to come and see. So there's many challenging events going on all year round that people can get involved with. Most of the challenges are promoting healthy lifestyle. So if you feel the need to get in touch with us, if your family has been hit with a life-limiting illness, or you just want to get involved in one of our charity events, or you want to volunteer for the hospice, once again, the website is hospiceofthevalleys.com. The general number here is 717-277. Don't be afraid to get in touch with a team of very welcoming people to advise you and help you accordingly with whatever your need is.